Hey folks, you can probably call this hot if you want to. Look at this, 103 in Rio Grande City this afternoon. It's still May, right? 94 McAllen, Wesco. Edinburgh's at 98, 90s in the eastern part of the valley, even to Port Isabel, about 91 degrees there at the coast, at the island, just a little cooler. But you add the humidity in. This is what it feels like. So, yep. It's hot and it's humid. Feels like 110 in McAllen right now. Feels like 107 in Brownsville. Dew points are up. This is where they all stand now. 67 in Rio Grande City, but everybody else has dew points in the mid to upper 70s. We'll put about 77 on the muggy meter. So again, we're almost pegging the needle up here. Doesn't get much higher than that. So that means it doesn't get a whole lot more sticky than what it feels right now. And with that, tonight's lows aren't very low. We're about 80 or so, 79 or 80 across the area. You just can't cool off much when there's that much moisture in the air. Then it warms up. Tomorrow back to 99 McAllen, 100 Rio Grande City. Here in Wesco, about 96, about 82 at the beach tomorrow. That the cool spot in the valley with south-southeasterly winds continuing at 15 to 20. Probably not as windy tomorrow as today. Today started as gusty as yesterday, especially along the coast, but the winds have died down some this afternoon. The next 3 days, 96, 95, 93. The normal, the average for this time of year is 91. We should be above that, certainly. Satellite and radar show some clouds coming in from the west, but nothing to write home about. That's the very tail end of a dying front. And you look here, all we see is the low clouds come back in overnight. Then during the daytime tomorrow, sunshine takes over again, partly to mostly sunny, and then tomorrow night clouds will probably move back in once again. But we don't see any rain tomorrow at all. And I think even Thursday and Friday, very small chance for a brief isolated afternoon shower, but you're talking about 10% or so. The map today, certainly quieter in Texas. There's some rain in East Texas. The severe weather has made its way into Arkansas, Missouri, and even up into Illinois, leaving flood warning. This whole northeast corner of Oklahoma is flooded tonight. All kinds of flood problems from the rain there. But you see the severe weather continues to push away with just the general risk of thunderstorms down to about Corpus Christi. This looks forward to tomorrow and scattered stuff possible in West Texas, but certainly nothing around here. So the tail end of that front down into South Texas, but it stalls. That's the end of that. It doesn't get here, so we stay on the hot side of things, and that's not going to change. Stays windy in the middle of this week as well into the end part of the week. Another front moves into the state Friday, but it's not going to get here. It will be the focal point for more shower development for us. Maybe something on the sea breeze Thursday, Friday, but that's probably about it. Take a look over here. This is our Andrea, still churning around in the Atlantic Ocean. It's officially a remnant now. It's going to dissipate soon. 35-mile-per-hour winds moving off to the northeast to the south of Bermuda, and that will be it. It should fade away relatively quickly, but we've gone through our first name of the 2019 season. Traveling tomorrow, San Antonio, thunderstorms in the morning, 76. Dallas, some sunshine at 69. By afternoon, most of the state bounces back into the 80s. We will be back in the 90s. In fact, our low will be in the 80s tonight, mainly clear. Tomorrow, about 96, mostly sunny, windy again, southeast 15 to 20, south to southeast, gust to about 30. Here's a look at your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. 96, 95, 93, and then we kind of hold in the 93, 94 range through the rest of the forecast period. Again, Thursday, Friday, about a 10% chance for a brief afternoon shower, but most areas should stay dry. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.